Hi Shamita, good evening. This is
Hi,
Dr. Swaroop representing Magic 20 Tamil. So tell us about yourself.
thank you, Swarup. Myself, Shumita. I'm into a third generation of a food business where we own a dairy industries and beverages industries. Being into a 3 decades, 3 generations into the food industries, where I felt professional consultant in India is very highly wanted. India being a wealthiest country in terms of food, we have a plenty of resources with respect to the food. Dairy, we are number one. Milk productions, we are number one. Fruits and vegetables, we are number one and two. Cereals, we are number one and two. So likewise, we have so much of things ranking. But when it is coming to a consultant, a industry grows because of a consultant. I strongly believe in you require a wealthiest consultant in terms of a mindset who brings in an innovations technology to convert this agriculture produce into a value added product and pack it up in such a way the consumer prefer to buy it. That's where we play a crucial role.
Okay. So AI is taking over everywhere. How do you feel AI or innovation taking over the F&B space?
AI is important, which becomes an inevitable in the business applications today. But end of the day, we humans consume the food. Our preferences, our likings are very intrinsic to our cultural values. You know, India has a variety of cultural values. I'm born, brought up from the Congo belt of Tamil Nadu. At E Road, we have a special cuisine called as a Palli Palyam chicken, which is very native to E Road. And food has a lot of emotional connect to it because the same recipe cooked by two different people, the people who make the food with a love from the heart and with a very good connections that I'm going to do this for my son. He is going to enjoy, relish this food. The food that's made with a very much of intense love to it have got a different sensory profile is my personal experience, which AI can't replace it. So food is always a food. AI, though there isn't a place, but AI can't
Totally.
replace it.
Totally. Food and beverage, probably the food part of it just cannot be replaced by
Replace.
AI. It's the grandmom's cooking that
Yes,
takes the
yes,
top shot all
yes,
the time.
yes.
Being third generation in a similar line of work, how has your business evolved? And how have you evolved as a third generation entrepreneur?
It's a very insightful question. When I in my grandpa phases, the consultants has to have a gray hair. They have to been into the industry for 25 years, 30 years. Then they become a freelancer consultant. It's a one-to-one consultations. They come and fix a certain specific problems. But today the need of the consultant is like we need to have a holistic understanding of the industry, right from a branding to the packaging requirements to the market demands, connect with an ingredients innovations to the technology innovations. We have a whole lot of work to do where we have to connect lot of dots across the various departments to come up with a very great innovation. So evolution in the industry is very huge.
Right. So you here at the Global Business Conclave 2025. What is your take back?
It's been a very insightful conclave. I have attended a lot of conferences across India and globally as well. But at Chennai, this is the one of the best, I will say, the gathering of it, the speaking quality of the speakers. Everybody has been handpicked by the global conclave to throw a lot of limelight on the global happening across the business, which made a lot of sense. After a long time, I'm sitting and listening in the conference. So that itself, I feel there is a lot of takeaway from my end. So I feel that's a great sense, and they made it very well, organized it very well.
Right. So Sumita, books shape us, mentors shape us.
Yes.
Could you tell us, throw more light on a book or a mentor who carved a way, who made a difference in your entrepreneurial journey?
Definitely. Being an entrepreneur, my marketing and selling skill plays a crucial role for me. And I'm coming from a food technology, technical background. I need to equip a lot on my marketing and selling skill. One of the book called as a sales dog from Blair Singer, which has got a different varieties of the sales perspective of different qualities of the client and how do the client thinks, the different kinds of a characteristic of the clients and how to connect with the clients based on their characteristics and their nature. That has got a lot of impact in my selling skills and marketing skills. So coming to a mentor, different stages of the life, we have a different kinds of a mentors.
Right.
I have a mentor, Mr. Raj Kamdar, for his spirituality of my life, where he taught me a whole world of different kinds of dual world. We call it, there are a duality in the world. So he taught me the two coins of the world and equipped me how to coexist in this world and how your soul can take a blissful journey and you can be a wisdom of light to enlighten the lot of people who want to onboard into the business. So I thank Mr. Raj Kamdar for that, and my business coach Rajiv Talreja. He is an Asia's largest business coach, and we were the first batch of a Rajiv Talreja. I have been personally coached by Rajiv Talreja and Kiran in various aspects of the business. Today we have implemented his system completely in our organization and it's fully functional. I thank Rajiv Talreja and Kiran being a part in my life, equipping me to have a very strong management in my business.
I just had a speaker sometime back who said, your business is not hit the sweet spot if your users don't become your distributors or your influencers. So being a student of Rajiv Talreja myself, I totally resonate with how well you're doing today. And I should say it was a fantastic few minutes interacting with you. Thank you so much, Shumita, for the time spent with us.
Thank you.